Hi everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to recover a TikTok account. For that, open up your TikTok app on your phone. After you open up your app, tap on the profile option which is at the bottom of your screen. Then tap on the sign up option. After that, tap on login which is at the bottom of your screen. Here you can see the option of use phone, email or username. Tap on it. Go to email or username section. Now tap on forgot password which is on your left hand side. Then select if you want to reset password with your phone number or email. For now, I'm going to show you how to reset password with your email. Enter the email address that is linked to your account. Then tap on reset. You will now receive a code on your email, so open up your mail, copy the verification code and go back to your TikTok app. Now paste the code. Then set a new password and be sure that your password has at least 8 to 20 characters, letters, numbers and special characters. After you're done, tap on login. This way you can recover a TikTok account. Now you can continue to create videos easily, join daily live stream and find new creators. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.